So here we're adding and subtracting algebraic fractions. It is fine to do as long as you've got the common denominator. If you notice, this first one has got a common denominator of 12, but the other two haven't, so we'll have to work with those. So when we're adding and subtracting, the common denominator is going to be 12. Because this is a minus in here, we have to minus the 5x and minus the 3. Both of those are being minus. So let's write this out. So we've got x, we're going to subtract 5x, we're also going to subtract 3. Okay, let's look at tidying up that top line. So we've got 1x here minus 5x, so that becomes minus 4x, and we've still got the minus 3, and then that's all over 12. And that's as far as you can go with that. Okay, this one here has got a different denominator, and if you can remember this, so across there, diagonally there, and diagonally there. Okay, I'll show you how this works. So the across the bottom bit is 3 times 2, and that's going to be on the bottom, which is 6. Okay, now we're going to go down this side, and we're going to go 2 times the 2a plus 1. So 2 times 2a plus 1. Okay, and then we're going to do the other cross bit, which is this bit here. Now, in the middle is a minus because of the minus, because we're subtracting it. And 3 times a is just 3a. Okay, so first we go 2 times 2a plus 1, and then we go minus the 3a. Okay, let's tidy this up a little bit. So we can expand out that first bit. So 2 times 2a is 4a. 2 times 1 is 2. Then we've got minus 3a, and that's all over 6. We can tidy up that top line. 4a minus 3a is just 1a, or just a. And then we've got the plus 2 and over 6. Okay, so the same principle goes for this one here. Remember, we've got the minus in the middle here, so it's a subtracting one. Okay, we go across first. So let's just write it as 2x plus 3 times 3x plus 1. Okay, so we're going to go down this way first. So we've got x plus 2 times 3x plus 1 minus, and then we go the other way. 2x plus 3, oops, sorry. Times x minus 3. Okay. We can tidy up that top line a little bit. There's not much we can do with the bottom line, but so we expand it out. So we're going to go x times 3x, which is 3x squared. And we're going to go 2 times 3x, which is 6x. And then we're going to go with the 1, plus 1 times x is 1x. Okay. Plus 2 times 1, which is 2. Okay. I'm just going to we're going to expand out the bottom one, but I'm just going to keep it in brackets. So 2x times x is 2x squared. 3 times x is 3x. Negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. And then 3 times negative 3 is minus 9. Put it all over 2x plus 3. 3x plus 1. Okay, so what we can do is tidy up the top line. So before we do that, we're subtracting everything in the brackets, because remember that minus belongs to this whole thing here. So first of all, we'll just write the 3x squared again. Here we've got 7x. That's plus 2. Okay. Now, so we're going to subtract 2x squared. Now this bit here, 3x minus 6x becomes minus 3x, but because of the minus in front of the brackets, it becomes plus 3x. And this minus 9 here, because of the minus in front of the brackets, becomes plus 9. And you can see that we can tidy that up. Just write the denominator down. And so we've got 3x squared minus 2x squared, which is just 1x squared, or just x squared. We've got 7x plus 3x, which is 10x. And we've got 2 plus 9, which is 11. And just leave it like that. That's about as simplified as you can go. And that is how you add and subtract algebraic fractions.